1815 RATTRAPANTE Perpetual Calendar, the pinnacle of classical complications. 3 grand complications, 1 timeless masterpiece. The 1815 RATTRAPANTE Perpetual Calendar unites 3 of watchmaking's most demanding complications: split seconds chronograph, perpetual calendar, and moon phase display, in a design rooted in classical Saxon elegance. A rare expression of precision, heritage, and mechanical ambition. 3 grand complications, 1 timeless masterpiece. When Saxon precision meets absolute complexity, ALangeSohne, mastering time twice over.